Importance of positive mindset to achieve success. I know you want to achieve success in your life. Therefore, it is very important for you to know the answer to this question. Let's try to find out the correct answer. There is hardly anyone in this world who does not want to achieve success. Everyone wants to deal with their life with the glow of success, but only a handful of people can reach the pinnacle of success. Why is it like that? Everybody wants to become rich, but only 5% of the people in this world enjoy the taste of richness. Why this happens? There is only one answer to both these questions. Positive mindset. Yes, you heard it right. It's positive mindset. It is true that the type of mindset you will have will decide whether you will succeed or fail, or you will become rich in life or become ordinary. Your mindset determines your future. Now the obvious question comes to your mind. What is this mindset? Let's try to figure out the answer to this. Mindset is the group of thoughts in your mind that is responsible for your success or failure. If there are more positive thoughts in this group, then they motivate the person to lead towards success and make him act unknowingly such actions which result in success. If there are more negative thoughts in this group, then they motivate the person to lead to failure and let him unknowingly do such actions which result in failure. Your thoughts in your mind are the seeds that stay there. You need to nourish them. And the kind of seed present in the mind, similar type of mindset forms in the future that gives the same result. If you have positive mindset, no one can stop you from being successful. And if you have a negative mindset, no one can stop you from failing. Now you must have understood that to succeed or fail in life, to become rich or to become ordinary, is only the result of your mindset. Whatever you are today is the result of your past mindset, and what you will be in future depends on how your mindset is at the present. Now the question is, can we change our mindset? Is it really possible to change negative mindset to positive mindset? After knowing the answer to this question, a wave of happiness is going to run in your mind because the answer is yes. Yes, you can change your mindset. If your mind becomes full of positive thoughts, then the stream of your life will change. There will be such a positive environment around you which will take you to the destination of success and wealth. You will have to do some hard work to convert negative mindset into the positive mindset. But once you have made your mindset positive, then it will remain positive throughout the life unless you want to change it yourself. A person with a positive mindset has to figure out a way to reach success. He knows very well the opportunities around him. The person of positive mindset achieves great success in short time. He never needs to move forward from outside, but such a person is a self-motivated person. You can motivate yourself so that such a person makes his own way without depending on others and reaches his desired destination. You must have heard the names of all the successful people present in the world. They have achieved success in any field. You must have also heard the name of the rich people present in the world. All these people became successful and rich only because these people are either able to own the positive mindset due to some childhood thoughts or events, or they recognize their simple mindset at the right time. They tried themselves to change their simple mindset to the positive mindset. You are what you think, and your perspective, whether positive or negative, can have many evident and unforeseen consequences on your pursuit of success. Positive mindset is the key to success.